Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have an answer for the Microsoft Edge update. Not a full answer because we don't have the details of it. There's no link to what was wrong, but the fact is that they updated the blog posts today to include this new feature, this new update for Edge, which if you go into the upper right corner, help and feedback, you have noticed that during the weekend, your Edge browser moved to 72. Now, what is funny is that they are handling it as if this is happening today. Today, there was an update, but we all had that update late Friday into Saturday. So this is the funny part. They're kind of acting like nothing ever happened, as if they pushed it before they wanted to push it or something. I don't know. But anyways, if you see that you're on version ending with 72, nothing security in here, by the way. It's purely bug fixes. So it says simply, and that's the phrase they use, fixes various bugs and performance issues. So I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what was not working well, but that's what it was. A simple bug fix for Microsoft Edge. So this is kind of funny, and you always look at it and you're like, come on, give details. What was wrong? And it's like, no, there's no details. And you go to the other blog posts and you're like, yeah, well, or if you do find some details, it's always hidden somewhere where it's like, well, I don't know where it is and what it is exactly. So anyways, if you were wondering what had happened to Edge during the weekend, that is what happened. And hopefully you will now sleep well, knowing that it's just a bug fix for Microsoft Edge that was pushed through earlier maybe than they thought. And it's just so funny. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.